Poems by Arjava, J. A. Chadwick. Excelling the Titan. Flashing above self-will and Titan's murk, all is free. No smoking clangor from Hephaestus' work spawns I and me. No alien light goes pulsing through the air. The air and light are one. Ripples of thought leap from the song gloom where Apollo's fingers run. February 13, 1938.